Blackouts don't negotiate. Neither do we. CNG power locked in, so the system never fails.
This power plant is made up of all 4 engines. Each engine is a 1.5 megawatt Rolls-Royce powered engine that is meant to power your building 10 years non-stop, 24/7.
For decades, Mikano has delivered power built on intentional engineering systems designed to work in the toughest conditions and keep performing long after installation. From heavy-duty enclosures to globally trusted engines and fully customized IPP solutions, every component is made for longevity, steady uptime, and seamless service.
From start to finish of this project, we used 10 weeks to start and completed the project.
We've had a very fantastic and unbeatable progress in the entire work. For instance, we came here just less than 2 months ago. So in that alone, it has become so outstanding.
The installation and this project was in 2 phases. We had the civil phase and we also had the phase where we had to combine the mechanical, the electrical and the transportation departments together.
We are here to drop 4 containerized CNG plants. There's no EDC. The CNG generator is going to power the 17th floor and the car park. It is a soundproof generator that there is nothing like noise that will disturb the environment. That is one. And there won't be anything like smoke, unlike diesel generator where smoke becomes an issue.
Because of the difference in level against the main building, we had to introduce the reinforced concrete to the retaining wall. After that, we have so many structures. The first is the panel room, where we have the main panel, the system, which is at the back. After it, we have the generator plane. So the generator plane is a very highly reinforced concrete floor, which we call generator plane. So it's upon it, all the generators and the transformers have been placed. After that, we'll have what we call the firewall. The firewall is a concrete that is reinforced, which is to protect any fire incidents.
Here we have an air handling unit. This air handling unit is meant to filter all the air coming inside the engine so that we have the right amount of air with the fan equipped inside and the clean air entering into our engine so that it can last its lifetime without having any issues of the dust in the atmosphere.
We have sensors in the genset and their panels inside that control and regulate the genset. So when there's an issue with the genset, it sends signal that makes you understand, okay, something is wrong. So that a warning signal or an alarm.
See the finishing, you can see the quality of the generator, and you see the way we blended the entire color in alignment with the color of FIRS.
It's why institutions like FIRS rely on Mikano. Power that stays strong, stays reliable, and stays ready for the future. Mikano, engineering that outlasts expectations.